fish on. Well folks, today we're going to be making some homemade chili. You gotta love it. It's getting fall time of the year and we're going to make some chili here. There's some of the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm going to use some petite diced tomatoes. I got a thing of black chili beans. I got some red chili beans. I got some mild Brooks beans for chili. I got a thing of tomato paste. I got a thing of salsa. I got it at the farmer's market. A thing of salsa. I got some tomato juice, green pepper, onions, garlic pepper, 2 packs of chili seasoning. I got a little Japanese chili paste for some heat. And that's the basics. I got some 80-20 ground beef I'm going to put in it. And we're going to get started here. Okay, what I got here is about 2 pounds of 80-20 ground beef. I'm cooking up. I want to brown it. You don't have to get it completely cooked because it'll cook inside the chili itself, but you want to get it fairly brown. Chopped up. I'll put some garlic pepper on it. I'm going to brown this up and then drain the grease off. And then I'll get started on the onions and the green peppers. Okay, looks like our ground beef's about done. As you can tell, there's a little bit of redness in there, but it's pretty much cooked through. Don't want to overcook it, just like with any meat, don't want to overcook it. Because it's going to cook inside the chili once we get it in the pot too, so. It's cooked pretty good right now, so we're going to take it off the heat, drain the grease, and then we'll get on. Okay, we got all our wet ingredients inside our chili pot here. Just stir it up a little bit. Looking good already. Got some of that corn salsa in there. All the tomatoes and beans and everything. I'm going to add right now I'm going to add the hamburger in there. So we got 2 pounds of hamburger going in the pot. Stir that in. Wow, it's starting to look good already. The chili is one of the things that, you know, you never do it the same as 2 times in a row. You just add what you got. And it seems to always turn out good. Okay, I'm going to work on getting some onions, green pepper, and garlic cooked up here. Okay, so we got our onions and our peppers going. We got a little bit of oil in there. Getting them softened up. Put a little more garlic pepper on there. These babies are just about ready to go in the pot. Put a touch more garlic pepper on there. Okay, so we're going to add our peppers and onions in there. Get that in the mix. Okay, we'll stir it up real good. Starting to look like something now. Looking good. Okay. We're going to put our seasoning packs in. Chili seasoning mix. We're going to put 2 of them in there. Mix that in good. We're going to put some of our Japanese chili paste in there. Give it just a little bit of heat. Stir it up good. Put a little more garlic pepper in there. Stir it up. So we're getting a pretty good consistency. Depending on how thick or thin you like it. If you like it more soup-like or you like it a thicker. I'm going to let it cook a while and then I'll see how it is. I might add a little more chili paste to thicken it up. But we're going to let this simmer for a couple hours and see what happens. So, okay, we're ready to scoop up a bowl of chili here. We're going to try it and see what it tastes like. Been simmering for a couple hours. We put our tomato paste in there to thicken it up a little bit. It's looking pretty good. We're going to give it a try. Okay, we're going to put a few crackers in there. A little bit of cheese in there. A lot of cheese. We're going to give it a try. Man, good stuff. Hey, fall's coming, chili time, make some chili. Just throw whatever you got in there, whatever sounds good, and it'll turn out good. So until next time, tight lines, and we'll catch you later.